Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to see Steam chat history. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Viewing your Steam chat history can be useful for keeping track of your conversations. Here's how you can access your chat history on Steam. Firstly, launch the Steam application on your PC. Then click on the Friends and Chat button located at the bottom right corner of the Steam client. This will open the chat window. In the chat window, you will see a list of your friends. Click on the name of the friend whose chat history you want to view. This will open the chat conversation with that friend. And Steam automatically displays the most recent chat messages in the conversation window. You can scroll up to see a limited amount of recent chat history. Limitations and alternatives. Steam does not store extensive chat history on its servers, which means you can only view the messages that have been exchanged recently while you have been online. For older conversations, or if you need to keep a more detailed record of your chats, consider these alternatives. Take screenshots of important chat messages. You can use tools like Snipping Tool by Windows, clicking on the print screen key on your keyboard, or Command-Shift+4 on Mac to capture screenshots. Copy and paste. Manually copy and paste important chat messages into a document for future reference. Highlight the text that you want to save, and click the keys Ctrl+C to copy. Then, go to the documents. Now, to paste it into the text file Word, click the Ctrl+V. Third-party software. Use third-party chat login software that can record and save your Steam chat history. Ensure you download such softwares from reputable sources to avoid security risks. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.